Hello students, my name is Anup Kumar Dutta. This is the 22nd YouTube tutorial video of the series of educational videos as I promised you to make on NCERT Mathematics, which is completely free to you. As a new one, I have to finish my video within 15 minutes. So I have just taken the question number 7 from the exercise 9.1 of your book class 10 under Some Applications of Trigonometry. Now let us see what the question says. From a point on the ground, the angles of elevation of the bottom and the top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower. To do this sum, let us proceed for the diagram first. If we do so, it will be very clear to us. So let us go for the diagram first. Let Mn is the horizontal ground level. Horizontal ground level. Ground level. Let the line A, B, C is perpendicular on Mn. So we have a right angle here. Let BC according to the question, from a point on the ground, the angles of elevation of the bottom and top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building. So BC is the building. BC is the building. BC is the building. The measure of the building, that means the height of the building, is 20 meter. That means measure of BC is equal to 20 meter. Let AB is the transmission tower with top A and B as foot. And B at the same time is the top of the building. B at the same time top of the building, and C the foot of the building. So AB is the transmission tower. transmission tower, transmission tower, transmission tower. We have to find the height of this transmission tower, height of this transmission tower. After that, let us consider a point according to the question on MN, on MN. Let D is the point on MN, and according to question, let DA, the angles of elevation of the bottom and top of a transmission tower at the top of a 20-meter high building. So we have to draw according to the question, the line of sight through D to B, to bottom of the transmission tower. So DB is the line of sight through D to foot or bottom of the transmission tower, which is at the same time top of the building. So we have got the angle of elevation according to the question, the measure of which is 45 degrees. After that, let us draw the line of sight through D to top A of the transmission tower. So the angles of elevation of the bottom and top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. So through D, let us draw another line of sight to top A of the transmission tower. So we have got another line of sight here, DA, through D to top A of the transmission tower. So according to the question, we have got another angle of elevation ADC of the measure of 60 degree. 60 degree. We have to determine the height of the transmission tower. Measure height of the building is given. Now you can go for the description. Write in this way, let MN represents the horizontal ground level. Let MN represents the horizontal ground level. Let ABC perpendicular on MN let ABC perpendicular on MN. Let BC represents the building, and AB represents the transmission tower. AB represents the transmission tower. After that, write AB represents the transmission tower with A as top and B as foot. Let D is the point on MN, and DB is the line of sight through D to bottom B of the transmission tower. And let DA is the another line of sight through D to top A of the tower which lies on the building which lies on the top of the building BC. Now write in this way: therefore, according to question, elevation, angle BDC BDC is equal to 45 degree. 5 degree. Elevation angle ADC is equal to 60 degree. 60 degree. Measure of BC is equal the height of the building is equal to 20 meter. We have to determine measure of AB. Measure of AB is equal to height of the transmission tower, and measure of AB is equal to height of the transmission tower. After that, write here measure of AB is equal to measure of AC minus measure of BC. Measure of BC, that means the height of the building is given 20 meter. So we will write here measure of AC minus, in place of measure of BC we will write here 20. After that, go for the solution in this way. Now in right triangle BDC we need the measure of BC and CD, so we will go for tan theta. Tan 45 degree is equal to BC by CD. That again implies tan 45 degree equal 1 is equal to BC. In place of BC we will write 20. Measure of BC, height of the building is 20 by CD. That implies CD is equal to 20. Let us name this relation as 1. In right triangle ADC. We need the measure of AC and CD, so we'll again go for tan theta. Tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is equal to AC by CD. AC by CD, P by B. That again implies tan 60 degree equal √3 is equal to AC by CD. CD is equal to 20. CD is equal to 20. Therefore, AC is equal to 20 √3. Now proceed in this way. Therefore, measure of AB is equal to height of the transmission tower is equal to measure of AC. In place of AC, we will write 20 √3 minus 20. The height of the building was 20 meter. That means the unit was in meter, so it will be in meter. Let us take 20 as common, so we will get √3 minus 1 meter here. This is the answer. That means the height of the transmission tower is equal to 20 into √3 minus 1 meter. So that's all for today. Why not? I will definitely expect your kind likes, dislikes, comments, subscriptions, and clicking on the bell icon. Thank you.